Hi, it's me, Ms. White, your favorite academic language teacher, and I'm here with 1.2. Everything is alive. In this lesson, we are going to practice personifying objects to help our classmates practice inferring. Here's the learning target. Today, I will use personification to interview an object so that I can see how writers rely on readers inferring. I'll know I've got it when I've written an interview with an object where I don't give away what the object is. My classmate will be able to guess. Okay, so part of the learning target was personification. You're going to be personifying something. In case you forgot or never learned this yet, personification is a literary technique where a writer will give human qualities to non-human things. For example, this cupcake is not actually calling to her and not being like, I'm yummy, eat me. Personification is just a tool writers use to make their writing more fun. All right, we are going to listen to part of an episode from this podcast called Everything is Alive. I'll have you listen to 1 minute and then you're going to guess what is this object. So the writers of this podcast are personifying an object. It's a thing. You all know what this thing is, and you're going to try to guess.
I remember my first day thinking, okay, first we're going to go to 5, all right, and then, okay, we stop at 3, and then we'll go to 11, and as we got higher, I was getting, anxious, when the button would get pushed, oh, I'm going all the way up there, I haven't gone there yet.
You were a little bit scared of heights.
Yeah, I would say I was. I think when you go to the highest floor you've ever been to for the first time, you think it should be no higher than this. They're all going to feel like maybe they're too high in the beginning, but then you'll get used to it.
So what do you think Anna is? If when you're doing your mission you need more inspiration or more examples, you can always go to this website, Everything is Alive, where they have all of their past episodes, like Lewis, a can of cola, Maeve, a lamppost, Dennis, a pillow. Dennis has dreams too. Okay. For your mission, remember, this little symbol right here means this is a slide that you have to do. So first, pick an object. I just looked around the room and I saw my little desk lamp. So I found a picture of a desk lamp and put it there. You can just write your thing. I chose to look for a picture because I thought that would help me come up with some ideas. So in this box, you're going to just copy and paste a picture or write what your object is going to be. Then this is the part where you get to be creative. You are going to write 3 or more questions and answers for that object. Like if you're pretending you're interviewing that object. So here's my example. So, what do you do all day? And the answer is coming from my desk fan. I kind of just wait around for the lady at the desk to remember I'm there. She doesn't switch me on too often. I think the room is kind of cold now because she keeps a sweater at her desk. At least I'm not that sweater. Sometimes he falls off the chair and gets rolled over. Ouch. Next question. What's your favorite thing to do? Answer. I like to spin and sing. My box said quiet, but I like to be loud. I get tired sitting around not moving or making any sound. What annoys you? When the small humans grab me and shake me, it's like they want me to die. The small humans are you. For your turn, you're going to take that object that you came up with, like mine was the desk fan. You're going to write questions and answers. If you really can't think of questions of your own, you can use mine. What do you do all day? What's your favorite thing to do and what annoys you? But feel free to be creative here. After that, you're going to read over your work. Is it too obvious or too hard? Like, if you're like, hey, I'm trying to think of something really obvious. If you're like, pretend you're reading about a tooth, and you're like, yeah, being inside somebody's mouth, being hard and white, and what they chew on, it really like isn't that fun. Okay, that's too obvious because it's obvious that you're a tooth. I think that maybe mine's too hard. I think maybe this word sing is too confusing, so I'm gonna change it to hum. Because fans hum. My box said quiet, but I like to be loud. Okay, I think that it's hard, but maybe not too hard. Okay, so say you've gone back and kind of made it right, like not too hard, not too easy. Now you're gonna find a classmate and you're gonna share this interview with them, but just share step 2. Don't tell them what it is. So they can read yours or you can kind of perform it for them like I did. And then you're gonna write who tried to guess yours, what did they guess, and ask them, was it too easy, too hard, or just right? So you're gonna write who tried to guess yours, Angelina, blah, 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 what did they guess? And they have to guess something. They can't say IDK. And that is it for your mission.